friends, welcome to my channel Learn English with Sufia. So today's topic is that how should we go for English practice. So before starting this video, friends, I want to say that don't be ashamed of yourself. Don't think about others people's opinion, that what they are thinking about you. Just focus and start working on your English practice. Because if you will do that, then everything will be a child's game. Fluency will come with the time and practice. If we talk about the English speaking, it's nothing but it is a continuous practicing. So for learning English, so first of all you have to stop thinking in your native language. Generally, lots of people do this thing. They think in a native language, then they translate into English, then they try to speak. So you have to stop this. You have to start thinking in the English and then try to speak English. If you have a less of vocabulary, so you can read the lots of vocabulary books are there. You can learn some vocabs from the book. Then you can use it in a daily life. It's a little bit tough, but it can be easier for you when you will go for the regular practice. Only studying grammar is not sufficient for learning English. You have to read the grammar, you have to read some vocabs, then you have to write it also, then you go for the practice. Then you will go for the regular practice, then you will be a good speaker. Let's take an example of your mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Hindi. Whenever you have attended any coaching classes for learning the mother tongue, no. Why? Because we are using the mother tongue daily. So that's why we don't need to join any coaching classes for learning Hindi. So, but if we want to learn extra languages, so we need a coaching classes. Do you know why? Because we don't want to practice regular. We want to attend the coaching classes. It's good, but we don't want to practice at home. So that is a question mark, is that really if we want to learn English, so we have to go for the regular practice at home. If you will go for the regular practice at home, then your tongue will be very free, because then your tongue will be very free to speak English. We speak native language daily, but we don't want to practice English at home. This is a little bit bitter, but it's true. Don't be shy. This is a phase of time. You can be also a good speaker by practicing. Let's focus on improving your fluency. Here are some practical steps which you can follow from now. First, reading. If you are reading grammar, you need a vocabs also, because you will get the idea how to make sentence and how to use the vocabulary and how to use the vocabs in the sentence. Read some simple sentences. Read some basic story, then by which you can get the knowledge how to write the sentence with this vocab. While reading, you will get an idea. This vocab is used for this and this sentence is related to this. So this is example of reading. After reading, the second step is writing. After reading the simple story, then you can write in your own words. For writing, you need a grammar and vocabulary. So you try to write this, whether it is right or wrong, no matter. This is the early stage of learning. So try to write this. Third is listening. You can listen the English news. You can listen the English song, but with the subtitle. You can get the new words from this. Then you can focus and you can try to understand that how to use this. And last step is that speaking. After reading, after writing, after listening, then try to speak all these things in front of the mirror. Whether it is right or wrong, no matter, it's not a big deal how bad speaker you are. Just try to focus on your speaking. Just give 15 minutes on your practice. Then you will get the answer from you that how did you get after 15 minutes spending. So these are the some practical steps then you can follow from now. So friends, this is my humble request to you all, that don't waste the time and use this time, because if you will use the time, so time will give you respect. So this was the today's topic. So before finishing my opinion, so I want to say you that if you like my video, so please give your comment in my comment section. So how did you feel that? Do you want to go for practice or not from today? So if you like my video, so please hit like, share and subscribe my channel.